Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you the process of how you can delete search history on Google Chrome on your mobile device. Now for that you need to open the Chrome on your mobile at first. Open the Google Chrome, tap open the app. Once you're at the home page of Google, you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right corner. Tap on that. There you will see the history option available. You tap open. Now from there you just need to tap on the clear browsing data on the top. You can see the option of clear browsing data. You just tap on that and you will be directed to this data clearance page for the Chrome. Now here there are two basic options of how you want to remove your search history, that is basic and advanced. You can just clear both of them. So here I'm gonna delete both the basic and the advanced data clear. It's gonna tap on clear data, tap on clear, and there you can see the history has been deleted. So all the previous data, that is your search history or any other cookies, has been deleted from the Google Chrome. This is how you can clear search history on the Google Chrome. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.